beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today, we are going to make some delicious, crispy samosas right from scratch. They are super easy to make and perfect for a snack or even as a side dish. So let's not waste any time. Let's get started. First, we are going to fry our minced meat until it is nicely cooked. As it cooks, go ahead and add in some chopped green onions for that amazing flavor. You can also add any other ingredients of your choice, like garlic, ginger, or your favorite spices, depending on what you love. This step is all about building that rich, delicious filling. Let it cook well until everything is perfectly combined and aromatic. Once our minced beef is well cooked and everything is nicely combined, it's now time to make our samosa pockets. Take your samosa wrappers and place one on a clean surface. Fold it into a cone shape, then fill it with our delicious minced beef mixture. Be careful not to overfill, just enough to keep it nice and neat. After that, seal the edges using a little flour paste or water to make sure the filling stays inside. Repeat the process until all your samosa pockets are ready. If you'd like, I can continue with the frying and final serving part to complete your video script nicely. Now that our samosas are nicely wrapped, it's time to deep fry them. Heat your oil until it's hot, then carefully place the samosas into the oil. Fry them in batches. Don't overcrowd the pan. Let them cook until they turn golden brown and crispy on the outside. Turn them occasionally to ensure they cook evenly on all sides. Once they're perfectly golden, remove them and place them on a paper towel to drain off any excess oil. And just like that, our crispy, delicious samosas are ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing recipes. See you on the next one.